Hey guys, my name is Kara and today I'm going to show you how to do bleach tie-dye. So the supplies you will need is gloves, rubber bands, bleach, and a container, and the pieces of clothing you want to use. For the container, you should put 1 part bleach, 1 part water. So the next step is lay down your piece of clothing and find a pattern you want to do. I chose the spiral pattern. So you just grab in any area, you spin the piece of clothing, and then you should put rubber bands on them and create 7 little triangles. Before you do anything with bleach, make sure you're in a well-ventilated area. Try to do it outside or in a room with a vent fan to soak up that aroma of the bleach. Now you could just have fun. So I did every other triangle, and at the end it wasn't absorbing the bleach, so I kind of just made it a splatter type of deal, and it turned out pretty well, which you will see at the end of the video. I just wanted to show you another example. So with this gray t-shirt, I did the same spiral effect. So with the bleach, it kind of just went crazy, and also you could see that this gray t-shirt was absorbing the bleach right away and it turned colors. Just pay in mind that, certain fabrics and certain colors, you won't see that it bleached right away.
Artlist.io.
When you're done tie-dyeing, lay them out on a plastic bag, the grass outside, on a towel, and let them dry to 3 to 5 hours, or you could just wait and let them dry overnight. Now it's time to wash the bleach out of the clothing. So you could do this in the bathtub, shower, outside with the hose, but just make sure you get all that bleach out. So let it dry for a bit and then put it in the washer and dryer, and then you could wear your beautiful creations. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and give this video a like.